Hello, scrapbookers. This is Megan, and I am back today with a new follow a sketch layout. So, this one was actually for the sketch for day 13, and I am going to be scrapbooking this photo of Tinian. We were at my mother in law's, and we had just gotten there, and we were waiting for them to come home from church. So the kids were just trying to find stuff to do. And so Tinian sat down on her little workout bike, and I thought it was just super cute. So today's sketch calls for lots of circles. And I really, really love how this one turned out. So the circles in the sketch actually are supposed to be pretty straight, but I decided to kind of make them different sizes and like wonky, and put them along this line of pattern paper that I have, at different lengths and things. So I do these two different sizes of punches, and I'm also I think I'm going to mat the photo. I think that's what I'm looking at here. I am using my For the Love of Homemade Kits kit, I believe. And this was for the month of February. So here I'm going to start cutting out the circles and sticking them under that pattern paper. So this month has kind of been a little bit crazy, like with posting because of my surgery and everything that happened around my surgery and everything. So I wasn't able to post this on the 13th, but since this is one of my favorite layouts that I've made this month, I did want to make sure that I did post it. And so I'm super glad that I'm able to bring it to you today. I am just going through all of the embellishments from my For the Love of Homemade Kits kit. And this kit consisted of mostly embellishments from Paige Evans' Turn the Page collection, which I still have so much of that collection. Like, I bought every single piece of that collection. I don't know if I'm ever going to kill it, but the papers that were in this kit, I pretty much killed, and I'm super happy about that. So that's always fun when you get to actually use supplies, and it just feels like such a huge accomplishment when you use them up, right? This past weekend, I was actually a part of Victoria Marie's virtual crop, and her virtual crops this year are about using the supplies you have, which I was just like, yes, I need this. This is so awesome. So I participated in January's, which was, like just use your stash. And then this month was focused a little bit more on like unused kits and things like that. And I was going through my collection, or like all of my stuff, and actually I don't think I have any unused kits, which is just crazy to me. Like, how? But I think really because I've never really been a part of a kit club that I like stayed a part of for a really long time. So whenever I was a part of a kit club, I would just use that stuff up. And so I think that's why I don't have any unused kits, is because I just would use them up all the time. So, I've actually been scrapbooking with a lot of close to my heart collections that I just never finished using. There was a summer collection that I bought a couple years ago, and it was called Summer Vibes. That one I have almost about killed. So I'm super excited about that. I need to sit down and do a couple of 6x8 pocket pages and stuff like that, and finish scrapbooking a trip that we took a couple years ago. In 2018, we went to my husband's boss's cabin that is up in Island Park, and so that was super fun. and I took tons of photos. So I need to do a pocket page of that. Okay, so the title for this page, I'm just going to use that little speech bubble which says the best is yet to come. And the reason for that is because this trip we took was to celebrate Brennan and Tinian's birthdays. This was back in July of 2021. And we got to their house on Tinian's birthday. So it was his birthday when we got there. And then... Or no, not Tinian's birthday. Sorry, Brennan's birthday. We left on Brennan's birthday and got there on his birthday. Then we left to come home on Tinian's birthday. So we celebrated both of their birthdays the day after because we were only going to be there for like one full day, I think it was. I don't even remember why. But that was the only time that we had to go over and celebrate. So was it one? We might have been there for 2 full days. So one of the days was we decided to choose one of the days and celebrate both of their birthdays and just kind of do a party. So that was really fun. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing here, but I put 2 different washi tapes in this kit. One of them is a floral, which I have the hardest time sometimes using floral washi tape or just floral anything because I'm not girly. I don't really have girls, blah, blah, blah. So what I did for this was I just put it on white cardstock and just cut out a circle for it. And that worked out so perfect. And it makes me so excited because honestly, I think I got that tape from a Click Kits long time ago. I never thought I was going to use it up, but it's like halfway gone and I'm so excited. So that's cool. Now I'm going to do my journaling and I'm just talking about how, exactly what I told you, like Tinian was just trying to find things to do while we waited for Mark's parents to get home from church. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure to check out the links below. I will leave a link to Sandy's layout from day 13 so you can go back and check out her layout if you haven't seen it. I will have another layout tomorrow because I'm doing 30 days of sketches. I'm so excited to be doing this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!